Hello children, Sairam. Welcome once again to the online classes of science. As you know, we are doing the revision, right children? We are doing revision of reproduction in animals. This is chapter 9 and today we shall be doing part 3, right children? Okay, in the last part we discussed about the bird's egg, right? We discuss about the animals that reproduce by giving birth by laying eggs, okay? Or you can say they reproduce by laying the eggs, right? So in continuation with that, we will further see how frogs reproduce, okay? So frogs also reproduce by laying eggs. And what happens? The female, as you know, the frogs are found in the lake or in the pond, right? Okay. So what happens? Female frog lay hundreds of eggs at a time. Okay. As you can see in the picture, see how a female frog is seen with the eggs. And then what happens? A tadpole hatch out of these eggs. Tadpole means a baby frog, which you can see in the picture. See, this is a tadpole, right, children? See, and how it is looking. It looks just like a small fish, okay, because it is having a tail and its body is also slim and streamlined, right? It is looking just like a fish. So this is called tadpole. So after the eggs hatch, the tadpole hatches out, and tadpole looks just like a small fish, and it also swim in the water. Now what happens after few weeks? The tadpole start to grow legs, okay, and as you can see in the picture, you see here, look here, this is a tadpole, okay, and then you see all the pictures one by one. You can see that in the as they are growing, as the tadpole is growing, look here in this manner, when the tadpole is growing, the tail becomes shorter and the legs are developed, you see, okay, they grow the tadpole grow the legs, see here, can you see here, then here also arms, okay, and see in the beginning tadpole is not having any arms, okay, any legs or arms, but as it grows it develops the legs and the arms, and then here you see, look here, look here, if you see here the tail is very short, look here, okay, so what happens, the arms and legs develop and the tail becomes short as tadpole grows, and then finally when it grows up to here, this is the adult frog, goes up to here, there is no tail as you can see, and there are pair of legs and arms, you see here, okay, so this is the final adult frog, okay, and children, see all these stages, okay, of development, okay, this is called metamorphosis, okay, you can say that the process by which some animals like frogs go through several stages, okay, the process, you see these are different stages to become an adult, okay, finally it has become adult. From a small tadpole here, see, from a small tadpole here, it has come up to here, okay, this is the adult frog. So this process is called metamorphosis, right children? So this is how a fully developed adult frog is developed, you can see, okay, right, see, so this is a life cycle of a frog as you see in the picture, okay, there are 4 stages of the life cycle of a frog. Look, first there is a egg mass. Egg mass means many eggs are there, okay, then a tadpole comes out, Okay, and then tadpole becomes arms develop. Okay, here a young frog, but it is with a tail. This is a young frog, but it is with a tail. And finally, an adult frog without tail, right? So this is the final adult frog. Okay, so this is how the life cycle of a frog takes place, and an adult frog is developed, right children? So this also you have to learn how to draw. Okay, see here. Now regarding this we will do small activity. Okay, what we have to do, arrange pictures to complete the life cycle of a frog. Here 1 2 3 4 5 pictures are there and numbers are there, so we have to say which number should come where. Okay, so first of all are the x, so here are the x, so this will have number 1, you can say, right children? Okay, after x what happens, tadpole hatches, so tadpole will get number 2. And then tadpole again grows and becomes like this. Okay, so this will come number 3. Then you will find a young frog, but it is with a tail. So this will have number 4. And finally, this is an adult frog. Okay, this is number 5. Okay, or you can also match it like this: 2 here, then 3 here, 4 here, and 5 here. Okay, this is how the life cycle of a frog goes. Right, now I'll show you a slide with the answers. Look here. Right, egg mass, tadpole, then tadpole with legs, young frog, and then adult frog. Right children, so these are the life stages of a frog. Okay, fine. Next is an insect. Okay, insect also reproduce by laying the eggs, right? And many of them also go through several stages before they become adult, like we saw in the life cycle of a frog, right children? And there are different, the pictures are shown of different insects which lay eggs. Okay, these are just some examples, that is grasshopper, locust, termites. Okay, so insects also lay eggs to reproduce, right children? See here, this is the life cycle of cockroach. Okay, in case of cockroach also, first is the egg. From the egg a small cockroach is hatches out, you can say. Okay, and it is called nymph. It is called nymph. It does not have any wings. Okay, and what happens, the nymph sheds its skin several times. Okay, and changes into an adult. You can see here, this is an adult cockroach. Okay, look here, this is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3. This is an adult cockroach, right children? Okay, and when the nymph sheds off the old skin, okay, an adult cockroach is born or is produced, you can say, and this shedding of old skin is called molting. Right children? Okay, so this is the life cycle of cockroach. Fine. Now we will just discuss some of the filling the blanks. Okay, just to refresh your mind, right, what we have learned. So when the eggs of a frog hatch, what comes out? Yes, you know very well, it is tadpole. Tadpole come out. Second one, the young cockroach that hatches out of the egg is called what it is called? Just now only I told you, it is called nymph. Okay, the shedding of old skin is called molting. And last one, the process by which some animals go through several stages to become an adult is called what? Metamorphosis. Okay, right children? Now I am going to show you a slide with the answers. Okay, see here. When the eggs of a frog hatch, tadpole come out. The young cockroach that hatches out of the egg is called a nymph. The shedding of old skin is called molting, and the process by which some animals go through several stages to become an adult is called metamorphosis. Right, children? I hope you are very sure, very clear about the life cycle of a frog and also about the life cycle of cockroach. Right, children? Now in the next class we are going to discuss or revise more about these animals who lay eggs and also about the other animals who reproduce by laying eggs. Till then, I take your leave. Do revise everything again. Thank you.